Thanks for checking in as we take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson. And our western storm system bringing some pretty decent snowfall tallies to the high elevations there. We'll begin to shift into the central U.S. as we take you into the mid and end week time frame. And that is going to bring us some rain and snow and maybe even some travel issues for folks that will be traveling in the central U.S. by that time period. So Tuesday today, just a general thunderstorm threat, portions of western California and also into Oregon. And then as you head into Wednesday, that threat drifts a little bit farther south than the Bay Area, but starting to note a little piece of energy here from West Texas into the midsection of the nation, not only on Wednesday but Thursday. Now, the good news is that the overall severe weather concern remains pretty limited. The upper level support for the best chance of severe weather is going to be back to the west, but there still will be a quarter of very heavy rain and thunder developing in the central U.S. over the next several days. So as we take a look at the forecast, what you'll notice is that the bulk of the precipitation associated with the storm is to the west. We have some heavy snow falling in the northern Rockies through the Wasatch Range, it appears, as we get into midweek here, all the way down to the Sierra Nevada range. Really nice to see this western moisture and especially the snow in the Sierra Nevada range. But then by Wednesday to Thursday, as you notice, a bulk of the precipitation really starting to show up from Texas into the Great Lakes region. Bit of a wintry mix through the central and high plains, and then some snow, which again could accumulate. But the 5-day precipitation forecast really shows the heaviest as you get down into the south central U.S. Keep in mind that Oklahoma City is at its fourth wettest year in recorded history. We'll need about 3.5 inches to get into that third wettest spot. It certainly could happen this week. And taking a look at that snowfall, you can see just on the northern flank of the bulk of that precipitation, maybe some light accumulations. Now, looking ahead to the early part of December, we do have some warmer weather building back into the Midwest, and it will be warmer over the central U.S. today as we're about 10 to almost 15 degrees above average in the plains and the front range of the Rockies. Denver today at 61, 64 in Dallas, and 43 in Minneapolis. Have a good one.